Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to be talking about one of my favorite sales in the beauty community to this day. Ulta's, that was not a good one. We are going to be talking about Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty Fall Edition. If you couldn't tell, I decided to go ahead and bring fall in through me. I'm just, what is it? I'm just radiating fall. Is that even the proper term? I did this video last year and I feel like it did get a really good response. I don't know, it's just something about the mystery, different products each day. I think that's kind of cool. If you guys aren't familiar or do not know what Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty is, it is pretty much a select few products during 21 days that Ulta puts on sale for, I think, up to 50% off. They do it twice a year in the spring and in the fall, and they do different brands each time. If you guys didn't see the video that I did last year on my recommendations, I don't go into every single day because me and my chatty Kathy self, that's my mom's name, shout out to you, Mom, we would be here all day long. So I just really talk about the products that I may be picking up, or products that I think you guys should pick up, or even products that I would like to try now that they're on sale because maybe I'm a cheapo and I wouldn't pay full price for them. So they also do hot buys during the 21 Days of Beauty, which is a list of products that is on sale all 21 days of the sale, so you guys can catch them at any point and they'll be on sale. So we're going to go over my favorites from that section as well. So that's just kind of the vibe that we do with this video. It's pretty laid back. We just talk about some makeup. Honey, I feel 10 years younger. Somebody get Vogue on the phone. Thank you so much. The sale does run from September 2nd through September 22nd. So that is your 21 days. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and start talking about the product. If you guys like when I do the Ulta recommendations for the 21 Days of Beauty or anything like this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, don't give it a thumbs down. Nobody likes a hater. I'm probably going to put a picture up on the screen or somewhere so I'm not just like flipping my magazine at you the whole entire time. So the first day that I'm going to talk about is the very first day that the sale started. It is already over again. I'm so sorry. I'm the worst. But I did actually pick this item up, so that is why I still wanted to talk about it. On September 2nd, they did have the Too Faced Hangover. I'm reading it off the paper. The Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. So I actually have not tried this, but I think it was Too Faced Poreless Primer that I've tried before. I like that one. I mean, it didn't blow me out of the water. I have high hopes for this one, so I did go ahead and purchase it and picked it up. It was $17 instead of the regular $34, so I thought that was a pretty good steal. I'm just going to briefly mention it. I actually probably won't pick any up, but I think September 4th, the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid Highlighter. Those are $20.50 and they're regularly $41. Are they really $41? That's a bit pricey. $20 I think is definitely way better. I'm not too big into the cream highlight band. I'll do it every now and again. I have one of the liquids and I do like using it. I do enjoy using it. I did not pay for that one. That one was sent to me. I would recommend it if you guys have been wanting to try it out or if you want to grab one because it is on sale. September 5th, they have the Hoola bronzers, the Hoola Light and Hoola Original. They are $15 instead of $30, which I would definitely be snagging one. I honestly have a sample size of the Hoola and I don't mind that one. I do want to swatch the Hoola Light and see if that one will work because I am getting out of my spray tan right now, and so I really want to get a good bronzer for when I'm at my palest, especially because fall is coming. I know I like the formula, I just don't know which one I would like on my skin a little bit better. So I'm going to definitely swatch those. September 8th, Anastasia's Brow Definer Pencil. I'm a little on the rocks about this because I have had this pencil before. I've gotten it in the past, but I ended up returning it. I wasn't the biggest fan of it. I mean, I don't know, I feel kind of like a hypocrite because I really enjoy the Goof Proof pencil from Benefit, and I feel like that kind of has the same shape. So I feel like now that I'm a wee bit better at doing my eyebrows now, so I feel like I would be a little bit more comfortable giving it a shot. And it is going to be $11.50 instead of the $23, so I will probably snag one because, again, I know people really like that one and I would like to give it a better, more fair shot now that I do understand brows a little bit more and I know what I'm doing. Another one that I really want to talk about is September 10th is the Stila One Step Primers. These are going to be on sale for $18 when they are normally $36. I love the correcting one. I use it on almost all of my clients. It really helps with redness, any darkness, because it does have the green, the lavender, and like the salmon color mixed in. When you all mix them together, you get a really nice green color, and it really does wonders for people with red spots or redness on the skin, especially for your big day. You get a little bit more nervous, you're a little bit more flushed. I love using it. I think it is so amazing, so I will probably pick up a backup, and I may potentially grab the other ones. They have Preps, Smooths, and Nourishes the skin, and then they have a illuminating one, so I may look at those and kind of see if I like those. The day after, September 11th, I am going to be running because the Buxom lip liners are on sale for $9. And their lip pencils are absolutely my top, probably my 1 or 2. I don't even know what would be 2. They are so smooth and creamy and buttery, and they just glide right on. Girl, pick you up a lip liner. September 13th, I am kind of on the fence about. It is the Smashbox Photo Finish Minimizing Pores Primers. You guys know I have some pretty giant pores, so I do like any blurring or any pore minimizing primers. I really do gravitate towards those, and I really do like them. This one is normally $39. But it's going to be on sale for $19.50, so I feel like it's a pretty good shot to try it out at. Again, I've heard a lot of good things about Smashbox's primers, and especially that one, I believe. So I would like to try it, so I might be picking it up. Are you picking it up? Have you tried it? September 18th, Tarte is going to be having their Double Duty Brow Busy Gal Brows Tinted Brow Gel on sale. They are going to be $9 as well, instead of their regular $18. I definitely want to try that. I do believe it's just supposed to be like a tinted brow gel. I really do like tinted brow gels a little bit more than clear ones, just because I have pretty dark eyebrows, so I do like to just whoosh some color in one more time, because I normally try to set my eyebrows the very last thing after I've done my entire face, my lipstick is on. Right before I set my makeup, I like to go ahead and set my brows, and it just helps to kind of brush through some color after I've taken all of those powders and bronzers and everything on my face. So it just kind of helps revive them and bring back the color. September 20th, I do want to touch on, because again, that's one of the days that I'm kind of on the fence about things. So on September 20th, they are going to have the Cover FX. They're the glitter drops and custom enhancer drops. So one, if they have the custom enhancer drops like their regular ones, I think I'm going to fly off my seat, and I will probably pick up one of those because I really like it. And I also do have a lot of darker foundations because I suck. I can admit that. I suck at picking out my foundation shade, and so a lot of times, instead of returning it and trying to get like the actual shade, I'll just try and make it work. You know, I'll mix in a lighter foundation, or I'll just go really big on concealer or whatever it may be. So I would really like to get a custom drops in like a lighter version. The glitter drops, I would have to see. I don't know. I'm not very much onto the like liquid highlighter train, but they're on sale for $21 to $22, and they're regularly priced at $42 to $44. So I mean, it is a really good deal, but I don't know. I think I'd be more inclined to buy it if it is their like regular custom drops, but if it is just the glitter drops, then I don't know. September 21st, we have the Benefit Cosmetics, the Porefessional Face Primer is an OG from Benefit. That was like the jam when I first started doing makeup, was the Porefessional Primer. I never owned a full size of one. I just had a sample size. I possibly will pick that one up. It's $16 instead of the normal $32. And again, you guys know the problem I have with my pores. I would really like to kind of minimize them if I can. So I will more than likely probably pick that up. Have you guys tried it? Is it something that you would like to try? Also on sale September 21st, it is the Clinique Moisture Surge. It's a 72-hour hydrator. I believe it is like a little sample size. It's a 1 ounce. It is $9.50 instead of the regular $19. So I will probably pick up one of those because I've heard, again, so many people rave about it and just talk about how much moisture it's given them. And I feel like lately, because I have been going to the beach a little bit more, that my skin is just so dry. Ulta, why does your 21 days online not match your catalog? It's like, I need all the detail because I've missed things now. So I went up on my iPad to try to look at some of the hot buys, and I saw that I missed some products that I really want to talk about. So on September 6th, they have online only They do the Pure face mask are now 50% off. So regularly they're $26 to $29, and they're going to be on sale for $13 to $14.50 depending on the mask. The Pure Cosmetics, the blue agave mask. That is my mask for life. I have gone through probably 2 of those. I'm on my 3rd tube at the moment. It is so good. It's like you're hitting a restart button on your skin. It just refreshes. It plumps the skin. It just, oh my God. I could talk about it all day long. Pick it up. I promise. If that's the only thing you pick up during the sale, September 6th, their masks are 50% off online. Please, please, please. The Pore Punisher, the one that they recently came out with, is amazing for pores as well. But the blue agave. Also on September 8th, online only, they're going to have the Ofra highlighters. I pretty much own all of them. I wish low-key, of course, wish I owned them in the new packaging, but I have them in the old packaging and they're just as fine. They didn't reformulate them or anything. But if you guys don't have them, I highly, highly, highly suggest that you guys pick them up, especially because they're going to be on sale. Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills, Bliss, I think it's Blissful, I think is what it is. Pillow Talk, I have all 4 of those and they are so good. I have the Nikki Tutorials highlighter, the one with the 3 in it. If they have any of those highlighters on sale, definitely pick those up. You will not do any wrong. If you want to blind everybody in your path with your highlighter, if you want to glow for the gods, pick up the Ofra highlighters, especially while they're on sale. Oh, on September 17th, they're going to have the Laura Geller liquid foundations. I think they're going to have both of them on sale for $16.50 to $19 when regularly they're $33 or $38. I want to try the Filter First foundation. I have been eyeing that for a really long time and just haven't picked it up because it is a little bit on the pricier side because it is Laura Geller. But now that it's on sale, well, it'll be on sale September 17th. I would definitely like to try that out, and I will be picking that up. Have you guys tried that out? The last day, I would of course recommend you guys getting the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I have one on my desk. I love this guy. It just sets my makeup in place. It's 50% off. It is $16 and it's normally $32. So I would definitely recommend that for you guys if you have been on the hunt for a setting spray or if you've been eyeing this product for a while. And lastly, online, they're going to have the Buxom Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipsticks, and they're 50% off. They're going to be $10 and they're normally $20. So those I'm actually really intrigued about because I have so far really enjoyed all of Buxom's lip products. Their lip creams are some of my favorite lip glosses on the market. Blushing Margaritas. Oh, that's like my lip color, but in a gloss form, and it's just so good on the no makeup days. It's just so good over any liquid lipstick that I just want that extra shine to. I'm probably going to snag 1 or 2 nudes because I love my nudes. And now I'm going to move over into the hot buys real quick. September 14th, they are going to have online only the Dose of Colors matte liquid lipsticks. They're going to be on sale for $9, $900, and they're normally $18. Dose of Colors has my top liquid lipstick formula. I love how they feel on my lips. They are not drying to me. They feel very comfortable. I love the color range that she has. I actually picked up, I think 9 or 10 last time they had them on sale because I think, again, they were like $10 each. So I picked up almost every color. I'm probably going to pick up the colors that I do not have. Pick it up. Do it. You won't regret it. So now let's move over to the hot buys, which again, the hot buys are any items that are on sale the whole 21 days of the 21 days of beauty. So here is the list. Again, I'm not going to hit all of them because they do have quite a few, as you guys can see. I'm just going to hit on the ones that I think are notable or that you guys should pick up or that I will be picking up. First thing I see up here are the Anastasia Blush Trios. So those are so good. I have one, which is Peachy Love, I believe is the color it's in, and I love the formula. I love all 3 blushes. I can mix them. I can use them individually. I can kind of get what I need out of it. So I really like those. The formula is nice. It is on sale for $18 and they're normally $30, so I would recommend you guys picking them up. One thing that I am possibly thinking about picking up is the Amazing Cosmetics, the Amazing Concealer. I feel like I've heard a few things about Amazing Cosmetics and their concealer, I believe it was specifically. I've heard good things about it. And I'm always down to try a new concealer. It is $16 instead of the regular $28. So I'm kind of intrigued. That's still kind of pricey for a concealer, but I'm definitely intrigued and I may pick that up since it is on sale. Another thing that you guys need to steal, you need to hop on it while you can, is the Dose of Colors lip glosses are going to be on sale. So for the whole 21 days, they're going to be on sale. Can You Not is my top 5 favorite nude gloss ever. I will throw that on top any nude liquid lip that I have, and it is so perfect. It's such a brown nude. It wears so nice. It's so pigmented. It doesn't feel sticky. Oh my gosh. I just can't say enough good things. Again, they're going to be $10 instead of the $17. So pick those up. Another thing that I was super excited about and I'm going to be stocking up on are the Pure Cosmetic lashes. So those are on sale for about $4 to $8 depending on which lash, and they're normally $8 to $14. My 2 favorite styles from the Pure Cosmetics lashes are the one that I'm wearing right now. These are the Bombshell lashes. I absolutely love these. They're so drama mama. They're so feminine. They are the shorter to the longer wispier lashes. They can make an eye look really, really pop. And then the other style that I have just fallen in love with recently, I actually did not like them at first, and one day I put them on and they just won my heart. It is the Diva style. They're just kind of my go-to lash when I don't know what other lash I want to wear at the moment. I've really been digging them and I'm definitely going to stock up on those. So I recommend you guys do too, but don't do it before I can, because if you guys steal all of the Diva lashes. And then the last and final product that I would recommend for you guys to snag during the hot buys is the Smashbox Step by Step. It is their Spotlight palettes. I don't think it's actually called Step by Step. It's just their Spotlight palettes. These were in collaboration with Casey Holmes. I'm honestly not too sure why they don't say her name anymore. I have mine in Pearl and I absolutely love it. I think it's 3 beautiful highlights. You get 2 more sheen kind of highlights that you can build up to be really intense, and then the third one is kind of that more sparkly, glittery highlight, and I just love mixing all 3. I love just using 2 or whatever I'm in the mood for. I really love palettes like that. So we are done. I love making videos like this. I love the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. They get me so hype. I think there was one time that they did it that they had nothing. Not a thing. And I was not excited at all. But ever since then, I feel like it's been pretty good. There are some pretty good days. Of course, you're going to have those days where you're not very interested, but that's how we save money. If you aren't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It would mean a whole lot to me and you could just join in. So go ahead and get your notifications turned on, because YouTube is a little funny and they don't like to notify you. That's everything that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you're picking anything up during the 21 days or what your thoughts are. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.